This video shows you how to install Ring Doorbell Wired. If your local laws forbid you from doing DIY electrical work, this install must be done by a qualified electrician. Even if your area allows it, do not attempt this install unless you are skilled in electrical wiring and safety. There are two ways to power this Ring doorbell. If your home has a wired doorbell system with the following specifications, you can power Ring doorbell using your existing doorbell wires. If you don't have a wired doorbell system or prefer not to use it, you can connect a Ring plug-in adapter instead, which works with a standard power socket. Okay, we'll start with the instructions for wiring to a doorbell system. If you're going to use a Ring plug-in adapter, skip this section. Press your existing doorbell button and listen for the sound. Follow it to find your doorbell chime and remove its cover. Before you continue, the circuit that powers your doorbell system must be switched off in your consumer unit. If you're not sure, the master switch should be turned off. Back at your chime, look for terminal screws with wires connected. The ones you want are often on the left side of the chime mechanism, on either side of a gap in the housing. Those terminal screws should be loosened, the wires disconnected, and the ends straightened. Next, unpack the included bypass cable. On the bypass cable, flip up the lever that corresponds with the open port on each connector. Then, insert your wires into the open ports and flip the levers down to secure. You can now place the cover back on your chime. Now, let's uninstall your existing doorbell button. Remove it from the wall and disconnect the wires. Make sure the wires don't fall back inside the wall, as you'll need them soon. If you plan to power your Ring doorbell with a plug-in adapter rather than your doorbell system, unpack it and ensure that the proper power plug is installed for your region. If you followed the previous transformer wiring instructions, skip past this section. Choose an indoor power socket near your install location and set the plug-in adapter on the ground beneath. Do not plug it in yet. Run the wire to your doorbell location. This can be done through a hole in the wall or through a window or other opening. If desired, use the included wire clips to route the wire cleanly. Okay, so now, either your wired doorbell system has been prepared or you've set up a Ring plug-in adapter. Now Ring doorbell can be installed. Unpack the Ring doorbell and remove the faceplate by grasping the bottom and pulling gently. Use it as a template to mark the screw hole locations on your wall. If your power wires are coming through a hole in the wall, your Ring doorbell should be mounted so that its terminals line up with that hole. After you've marked the screw holes, connect your doorbell wires or plug-in adapter connectors to the terminals on your Ring doorbell. Loosen both terminal screws, slip one wire under each one, and then tighten to secure. If you're installing on brick or concrete, use a power drill with a 6mm masonry bit to pre-drill the holes. Then insert the included wall plugs. If you're installing on a wooden surface, you can skip this step. Now, unpack the mounting screws from bag A. Feed any excess wiring back into the wall, then screw in your Ring doorbell with the mounting screws. If Ring doorbell is connected to your doorbell system, restore power at the consumer unit. If you're using a Ring plug-in adapter, plug it into your chosen socket. Now, let's attach the faceplate. Unpack the small security screw from bag B and the included screwdriver. Insert the security screw in this hole on the bottom of your doorbell and tighten it with the screwdriver. Do not use any other type of screw to secure the faceplate. It may take a little while for your Ring doorbell to power on. You'll know it's ready once the light starts spinning and it makes a sound. Open the Ring app and start the setup process. The app will guide you the rest of the way. Congrats, job done. If you need more info, head to ring.com/help.